Good afternoon, everyone. I am Fritz Dirimtiso. Today, I will discuss about the flowchart. What is flowchart? A flowchart is a picture of the separate steps of a process in a sequential order. It is a generic tool that can be adapted for a wide variety of purposes and can be used to describe various processes such as manufacturing process, an administrative or service process, or a project plan. Ang kuan ko daw is Ang flowchart nga daw is kuan kining usa sa ka picture nga nakaseparate daan ang imong mga plano nga naka step by step aron mapadali imong project nga mabuhat dayon siya nga hanay siya pagkabuhat. Purpose of a flowchart. It is a diagrammatic representation of the solution to a given problem, but more importantly, it provides a breakdown of the essential steps to solving the problem. Naka diagrammatic representation na daw siya kaya naka-diagrammatic representation na daw ang iyang solusyon nga ngadto sa given nga problem. Pero ang uban is importante da. Then provides na po naka-provides po og breakdown of the essential steps para sa solving the problem. Importance of flowcharts. Why use flowcharts? Kumpara sa imo, nganong gamit na flowcharts? Flowcharts can help you identify its essential steps and it simultaneously offer the bigger picture of the process. Identify steps. Flowcharts can help identify the specific step involved in a process. Then communicate ideas. Flowcharts can help communicate ideas quickly and clearly. Improve efficiency. Flowcharts Flowcharts can help identify in inefficiency and increase efficiency. Coordinate teamwork. Flowcharts can help improve teamwork and keep everyone on the same page. Ang flowchart kuno is kaning naka-identify o naka-specific na ang iyang step by step nga problem, then makatabang pag communicate ideas para mapadali og klaro, then makakuan mo siya ni makatabang mo siya og pag identify sa inefficiency og maka-increase pod og efficiency. Then ang flowchart ka kan help makatabang sa improve sa teamwork kay makapahiusang tanan sa usara ka page. Why use flowcharts? First is solve problem. Flowcharts can help identify solution to problem and break down the steps involved. Kini ang flowchart kino is makatabang og identify sa solution sa isa ka problem, then ma-breakdown pod ang step by steps nga naka-involve. Plan project. Flowcharts can help managers and team and members plan, coordinate, and execute projects. So kay makatabang ang flowchart pod is makatabang pod sa project sa managers o isa ka membro nga makapag-coordinate o maka-execute sa projects. Then study better. Flowcharts can help students map key concept and associate information. Din ang flowchart po daw is makatabang po sa estudyante nga kaning sa niya makatabang sa estudyante nga maka-associate og information. Next is hypochart. What is hypochart? A hypochart or hierarchy plus input process output chart is a tool used to document and analyze software system. It's a graphical representation of a program structure, include the inputs, process, and outputs of each module. What does a hypochart do? Helps understand system function, describes data flow between process, defines inputs and outputs at each level. Here are the flowchart symbol. Then they have start, stop, used at beginning and end of the algorithm to show start at end of the program. Next is process. Indicates process like mathematical operation, input or output, used for denoting program inputs and outputs. Next is decision. Decision stands for decision statement in a program where Answer is usually yes or no. Arrow shows relationships between different shapes on page connector. Connect two or more parts of flowcharts which are on the same page of page connector. Connect two parts of a flowchart which are spread over different pages. How to create flowchart? First is define the process you want to represent. Una define sa nimo imong process para kung unsa imong gusto nga i-present. Next is identify case steps and decision points. Ini identify nimo yung case steps o ang decision points. Choose appropriate symbols for each step. Magpili ka og appropriate symbols para sa step by steps. Or is connect symbols with arrows to show flow direction. So mogamit kag arrow para kaning mag-connect nimo siya kung asa sa padulong sa iyang direction is para masabtan pud siya. 5 is review of accuracy and completeness. I-review mo siya, review para sa accuracy and completeness. 6 is visual flowchart building example starting with a blank page and flow and filing in steps. Ano siya mga example sa sa flowchart sa input, process and output. Maka kung ano siya tanan is mo ang isa is hypochart, the isa is flowchart. Na kani pareha na sila tong isa. Mao na sila example sa flowchart and hypochart. Next is more examples of flowcharts. Here is nakita na ko ang uban mga example sa flowchart aron di mo malibog. Ano siya isa. Then next ano siya isa. Mga example na sila. Benefits of using flowchart. Visual clarity and easy of understanding. Then paggamit nimo sa flowchart is maklaro gini mo siya o masabtan gini mo siya. Facilitate facilitates process analysis and improvement. Then naka-facilitate na po siya din naka-analyze na po ang imong pag-improvement. Then enhances decision making and teamwork. Then decision making support clearly depict decision point with a process aiding in better decision making. Then ang decision making is naka-support na po og klaro nga masabtan gid siya. Next is standardization by creating a standardized visual representation of process flowcharts can help ensure consistency across an organization. Then kaning standard na yung pagbuhat naka standardized na po yung visual representation sa process sa and then ang flowchart is makatabang sa pag-ensure and consistency across on organization. Benefits of using flowcharts. Problem solving can help identify problems, bottlenecks, and unnecessary steps. Ganing makatabang na siya sa imong kumbaga sa problem solving, ma-identify gini mo unsa ang problema, then maklaro gini mo kung unsay mga unnecessary steps, then naka-indicate na pud tanan. Documentation can help you document your process including the steps, inputs, and outputs. Then tabang po siya mong document nga sa pag-process kung nakabutang na dito nga steps sa input and output. Efficiency can help you identify ways to improve your efficiency. Training can help you train others on a process. Kini sa imong sige ka training, in practice more and practice is maka tabang sa imo siya og sa imong pa process. Conclusion. In conclusion, flowcharts are invaluable tools for visualizing and managing process across various fields and industries. Their ability to simplify complex information into clear, easily understandable diagrams enhance communication, promotes collaboration, and facilitate effective problem solving by providing a structured approach to analyzing workflows. Flowcharts help identify inefficiency, streamline operation, and ensure that all stakeholders are aligned on tasks and objectives. Yun ang flowchart gid daw is unsa sa ka tools nga maka-visualize ni maka-manage across various fields unsa sa industries, then ability to simplify complex information into a clear. Kini clear gid siya makita gyud mo masabtan gid mo siya kaya naka step by steps na siya. And here are my resources this topic about flowcharts and end of the presentation. Thank you. Bye bye.